In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Microsoft Teams on both Windows and Mac. Microsoft Teams is a great tool for collaboration and communication, but sometimes it just needs a quick refresh to ensure everything is running smoothly. Whether you're experiencing glitches or just want to make sure you're seeing the most up-to-date information, these steps will help you get back on track quickly. First, let's get started by heading over to Microsoft Teams. Make sure you have the application open on your computer. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign in with your credentials. This process should be fairly straightforward, but if you encounter any problems, make sure your login information is correct and up to date. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Teams tab. This tab is your main hub for all your Teams activities, including chats, meetings, and shared files. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this tab, as it's where most of your interactions within Teams will occur. Now that you're in the Teams tab, the next step is to perform a right-click on the Microsoft Teams icon, which you can typically find in the system tray if you're using Windows or in the dock on a Mac. Once you've right-clicked the icon, look for the option to quit and click on it. By quitting the application, you're essentially shutting down all ongoing processes, which can help solve a host of minor issues. After quitting, the next step is to restart Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and open the application again, just like you would with any program on your computer. This simple restart can clear out temporary bugs or issues that might have been causing problems. When Teams has reopened, test to see if everything is functioning correctly. Check your chat messages, make sure your calls connect without issues, and browse through your channels to ensure everything is loading as expected. If everything looks good, congratulations, your refresh was successful. Just keep in mind, if problems persist, you might need to explore other troubleshooting options. And there you have it, you've successfully refreshed Microsoft Teams on your device. This straightforward technique is a great first step whenever you encounter issues with the app. It's a handy trick to have in your toolkit, ensuring you can maintain productivity with minimal disruption. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a comment or hit the like button. Stay productive and see you in the next video.